how to handle credit cards in Ynab. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can handle credit cards in Ynab. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Ynab website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on add account. Then choose the type of account you want to add. Over here, you have to fill this information. In the account type, you have to select credit card. Then give it a nickname and enter your current balance. Then click on next. After that, you have to choose how to handle your card balance by selecting any one reason. Then click on next. Over here, you have to select your desired target and click on next. Then just review your information and click on next. So that's how you can handle credit cards in Ynab. That's all for this video.